Thutha wa igoti ikaru guteaniria maumirira mao president muthenya wa ira, mutongoria wa bururi muthenya wa muthiga ikaru-ini na jumbe yothe ya kiama kia Jubilee thingira-ini wa iregi ni akomithire ikinya riri na maroro maingi akiuga itua riu ni ria kwagira aikia kura gitio na uguo he bata ruhonge rwa watho ruthurimo.
I've always said we have a problem with our judiciary, but regardless we respect, but we shall revisit. We shall respect, but we shall revisit this agenda. Oh yes, we shall. First and foremost, we shall address ourselves to the people of Kenya.
President danatigira hau amuni arutire mukana majaji aria marahuthirwo ni ateti uthie mugaru na wendi wa Kenya akiuga wona Jubilee yaiyukia thirikari kung'ethanira nao nginya hukie wara ucio ri ruhonge-ini rwa watho.
Lakini Maraga thinks he can overturn the will of the people. We shall show you in 60 days that the will of the people cannot be overturned by one or two individuals. Na tutakutana huko. Na wacha niseme na hasira kidogo, lakini kwa amani, kwa amani, kwa amani. Yeah? Tutarudi. Na tukishamaliza tutarevisit hii mambo yenu. Yeah.
Ihinda-ini riu president na munini wake William Ruto ni maugire ruhonge rwa igoti no nginyagia rutie wira wa kamiti ya mihaka na ithurano IEBC kuona kuri na njama ya kwagira kamiti ino gitio. No na kuri uguo president Kenyatta ni anire na kayo ati IEBC niyo igatabania githurano kiao president.
Tarehe 8 mwezi wa 8 wa Kenya zaidi ya milioni 15 walienda kupiga kura. Ni kweli ama si kweli? And we want to say from here today that Jubilee and President Uhuru Kenyatta won the elections on the 8th of August fair and square.
Oho ni mokeire ngwatano ya NASA makiuga matiretigira kung'ethanira na uria keeri na kuga matikae kuona muruthi ukomete mecirie ni mukuo.
Wenzangu, leo waziwazi mchana, wenzangu, nusu mkate hata slice moja hakuna. Hakuna.
Na ari ihinda ria kahindi meruka president Kenyatta ni oritie IEBC ikemituki kwanira muthenya wa githurano akiuga Jubilee iri sheba kunyururia ngwatano ya NASA githurano-ini.
The old IEBC, if they think we don't have that time, if you have accepted all the rest of the results, let us accept the ruling. Maraga, don't interfere. And don't think that because our friends shout and we keep quiet, that we are scared of you.
Webe ni yule ule. Wale vile tuliwanyoa, tutanyoa vile vile. Lakini sasa tutaongezea webe ili kishwa wakiwa bali wanaonekana na watu inachaini vizuri sana. Kwa haa meki na...
Thutha ucio president erekeire imwe kwa imwe nginya kaunti ya Nakuru kuria kambeni inyitire thinga.
Mimi nawauliza tukana.
Riu kiria gieteirwo ni muthi wa githurano kuona mutongoria wa bururi na munini wake ni methagathagite kung'ethanira na riu kiria gieteirwo ni muthi wa githurano kuona mutongoria wa bururi na munini wake ni methagathagite kung'ethanira na NASA. Girifotira Kameme TV ni jetagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.